The Singapore official media called Leh Zhaobao recently made a surprising analysis on China's PLA Airshow in Zhuhai. The newspaper is very popular. Nayang Sin Chou Leh Zhaobao, commonly abbreviated as Leh Zhaobao, is the largest Singaporean Chinese language newspaper with a daily circulation about 136,900 as of 2021. It is published by SPH Media. It was formed on March 16, 1983. The paper establishes itself a broadsheet with local news coverage, while international news tend to be largely centered on East Asia region, dedicated to uh, East Asian affairs. Let's have a look at the media title. Uh, the US military psychologically feels uncomfortable. So, this newspaper is giving some reasons why US military feeling uncomfortable. The first reason is that China's low cost and high efficiency industrial level surprised Americans very much. The United States never learns technology. There is no lack of technology, but the lack of transformation capabilities. From the proposal of laboratory prototypes to the production of the first mass produced aircraft, the time required is in units of 10 or even 20 years. On the other hand, China relies on a complete industrial production system and a complete supporting industrial chain, plus efficient and low cost production capacity to achieve a seamless connection from laboratory research and development to industrial production. And the paper says, don't say Americans, no country can do it. Secondly, the paper says the national industrial production and battlefield consumption capacity reflected behind this transformation capability makes Americans very envious, jealous. For example, the consumption of equipment and industrial products is very astonishing. Russia's current industrial production capacity is about 10 times that of NATO countries, which means that NATO is destined to consume less than Russia. China's industrial capacity is stronger than Russia, which makes United States feel inferior. Thirdly, the paper says this thing that shocked Americans is the weapon itself. China has made breakthroughs in the fields of advanced stealth equipment, advanced unmanned equipment, space equipment, electromagnetic equipment, etc., of the sixth generation aircraft. The technology demonstrated by these weapons themselves has proved that Americans are beginning to lag behind, and the technological lag is mainly reflected in the lack of innovation ability. So, the last thing that shocked Americans is China's innovation ability. China's weapon platforms are no longer simply imitating Soviet weapons or American weapons, but have completely walked out of their own path, developed their own weapon design concepts, tactical support concepts, combat application scenarios, and developed a series of new weapon platforms around various advanced technologies. For example, drone aircraft carriers that can fly in the air for a long time, for 9 days, wave shaped hypersonic bombers, electromagnetic guns, stealth strategic unmanned bombers, etc. China has combined various advanced technologies to form a brand new weapon system that exceeds current technical standards. The US weapon design concept is still at the end of Cold War. This is the gap. And originally this should have been the Americans' big show. The so-called innovation ability has nothing to do with nationality or physique. The ultimate decision of country's innovation ability is its people. Where the top scientific researchers are, the stronger the innovation ability is. After reading Singapore media report, Chinese feel very happy and they began to criticize the US. Let's have a look at Chinese feeling. According to Chinese researchers, the United States used its strong economy, open social environment, and fair laws to attract a large number of top scientists. At the time, United States was indeed the most innovative in the world. Now, the United States uses political correctness, political persecution, and racial discrimination to restrict scientists, resulting in a large number of scientists fleeing. On the contrary, China has shown a strong economy, an open social environment, and the fair laws. This is what they have fair laws. So of course all scientists have fled to China. We don't know how many scientists came to China. But here they say one example. Eric Drexler, a legendary father of nanotechnology, fled the United States because of political persecution. He now lives in China. The United States saw that technology conversion efficiency, industrial production capacity, advanced technology, and innovation capabilities that they do not have at this Zhuhai Airshow in China, Chinese says. And these things are, after all, the bottom level competitiveness of the country. Without these things, the US dollar, Chinese say, is just a green paper.
After watching this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Your support means a lot and helps our team create more videos like this. Thanks for watching.